Good evening, learners. My name is Mr. Koch Lola once again, your teacher on this platform, which is named by my own name, my full name, Koch Lola. But I represent Black Slides Online. I know that by presenting from this channel, I represent many students from different schools. But inspiration, the original inspiration, came from students from Marymount. Marymount Catholic Secondary School. It's a girls' school. From which I derive all joy and happiness. But currently, I'm not there anymore. I'm now presenting on behalf of Karibu Academy, the only school that is premised on the spirit of excellence in this country. Nonetheless, my great inspiration emanates from the Marymount students, and the Karibu Academy students are also my present inspiration. I love students from both of these schools. My passion goes to both of them. But in case you access these lessons from other schools, that's not a problem for me. It is my wish that whether you belong to Karibu Academy High School or you belong to Marymount or you don't at all, you are still my students. I love you, both of you, all of you actually. Welcome to this topic number 10 of MSCE Physics. This is in particular for those students who are preparing for Malawi School Certificate of Education, in short, MSCE. But in case you are also a student awaiting Cambridge exam, IGCSE examination, of which one of the topics that you may encounter is radioactivity, I have no problem with that. You're welcome. So in this topic, I anticipate that by the end of the topic, you are going to be able to define radioactive decay and another term which is called half-life. That's the first and the most important term to be able to define, because we say that in order to unlock the understanding of any topic, you should be able to define that topic. So the topic is radioactivity. So can you say what radioactive decay is? And in relation to radioactive decay, can you say what half-life is? That will make me happy. All right. Another definition, another objective I want you to achieve after you've learned this whole topic is to be able to describe the three types of radiations which are emitted by in what we call natural radioactivity. Describe the three types of radiations emitted in natural radioactivity. That's objective number 2. Objective number 3, which I've labeled as the objective C, is you need it, after you have learned, you need to explain the detection of radioactive emission. Detection. So we are going to look at different methods of detecting radioactive emissions where they are present. You are going to define radioactive emission. Radioactive fission, Fission, and fusion, Fusion. We give definitions of these two terms and also look out for the difference between these two. Objective number 5, which I have labeled as objective number E, is for you to write balanced nuclear equations. Nuclear equations. Well, you are familiar with chemical equations, but we are not going to talk about chemical equations. So we are going to talk about nuclear equations. F, explain the dangers of radioactive emissions. How dangerous are radioactive emissions or radioactive materials when you individually or collectively with other people you are exposed to radioactive materials? How dangerous is it? That's what I mean by that. Well, all right. State the application of radioactivity. What? You have learned about radioactivity. So how do you apply it in everyday life? That's what I mean by stating the applications. Applications means what it is that you do with radioactivity in everyday life. And then we are going to do some calculations. We call them numerical problems involving half-life, right? So you carry out some calculations. I hope you have calculated them. So we're going to do some calculations of some numerical problems involving half-life. Once again, you access these lessons for free. You don't have to pay. You don't have to call me to say, so how much do these courses or subjects cost us? No. I'll tell you that these are for free. But hey, listen to this. These are for free. Okay? But listen, I'm not saying that you cannot have your private tuition. You can have private tuition. You can have private tuition. All you have to do is call me on 088-434-1022. I'll be able to assist you as an individual. It's only there that you are going to pay. I'll charge you a lot of money, of course. And I'll teach you anything you want to know about whether this topic or another topic in physics. I'll teach you, but you are going to pay for that. A lot of money, of course. It's not going to be cheap. Yeah, but for now, learn these topics, these lessons for free. That's what I'm saying. If it is what you want to learn, you learn for free. Yeah. Once again, my name is Mr. Pochidola. I'm happy to teach you these lessons for free. Very happy, very excited. This is a topic called radioactivity. In case you want to receive more lessons based on this topic, and other lessons also based on other topics at senior level, Form 4 or IGCSE. You are going to call me on 088-434-1022 or just send me a message. I'll be able to respond to you. If you want individualized lessons, it means you've got to pay for it. But these ones, you don't have to pay. All right, so please subscribe to the channel, this channel, so that you receive more lessons, which are for free. And of course, you receive more topics as they pop up. My name is Mr. Pochiro once again. So in this topic, which is called radioactivity, we are going to look at very key concepts such as radioactivity K. So you will know what a radioactivity K is, what does it mean. And of course, I'll also tell you what half-life is. I'll take you a bit further than that to tell you what the different types of radiations and radiation's properties are. So let's suppose that we have different radiations in our environment. How do you detect them? So I will teach you this, how you can detect radiation, detectors of radiation. We are going to go beyond that and look at nuclear fission, listen carefully, with FISSION, and nuclear fusion with FUSION. Take note of the spelling. These are totally different concepts. And I am here to show you how these processes differ from each other. We are going to look at nuclear equations. Not only that, we are also going to go beyond that. Look at hazards, dangers of radioactivity, and what precautions you can take. No, we can't stop there. We go down to applications. Why should you learn this topic? Yeah. If you don't know the applications of a topic, then you are learning the topic in vain. So we're going to do that. Look at the applications, daily life, in everyday life. We'll talk about that. Then you are going to look at problems on half-life, calculating a concept called half-life. What is half-life? But you will not, don't worry, you will not look at the advanced mathematics part of it, like integrations, like calculus, and all that. No, I'm not going that far. This is for physics, or if you are doing Cambridge exam, well, take advantage of the same to learn. Or if you are doing other syllabi like KCSE, which is the Kenyan syllabus, don't mind. I'm here to help you. So we're not going to talk about the mathematical part of it, which is integration. Let me say this before we start, that I love you so much. Not because you are my students, but because I want you to learn and pass your exams. You are my own children. This is what I tell my children, my own biological children, that they need to work hard and master these things. Well, don't worry, they are doing fine already. Yes. Once again, if you're a parent and you are very much concerned about performance of your child, don't hesitate, please, to come call me on 088-434-1022. I will be very excited to help you. For now, allow me to stop here. I just introduced the topic. Then we meet again in lesson number 2, where we are going to talk about this same topic in greater detail. Text me on my number 088-434-1022. My name is Mr. Pochilola once again. I teach Cambridge content, but I also teach the local curriculum, which is the MANEC syllabus. I'm meeting you again in the next topic, which is the details of this topic.